Revive dry, damaged hair. TRESemmé Moisture Rich Shampoo Hair Care for dry hair delivers optimized hydration that targets dryness and locks in moisture where your hair needs it most. Restore vibrancy. This gentle moisturizing shampoo is formulated with vitamin E and biotin to help soften hair without weighing it down. Advanced moisturizing system. Our moisturizing shampoo delivers optimized hydration that targets dryness where your hair needs it most. Shampoo that delivers. TRESemmé helps revive dry hair with gentle moisturizers for touchably soft hair with professional-looking shine that lasts for days. More than hair products. TRESemmé is committed to advancing the next generation of female leaders by creating an intentional momentum forward. Find out more about how No Women Lead the Way. Pamper your hair. Treat yourself to TRESemmé Moisture Rich hair products. From a conditioning mask to a detangling spray, to create beautiful styles on the go without the hefty price tag. The Moisture Rich difference. Our Moisture Rich system is designed to nourish and support every strand, leaving you with touchably soft, healthy-feeling hair. Our ingredients. Formulated with vitamin E and biotin to soften hair without weighing it down and help repair damage. NY Fashion Week. Trends change but style is forever. When designers show at New York Fashion Week, TRESemmé is there to make sure not a strand of hair is out of place. Our pledge to you. We're committed to closing the leadership gap in fashion with our pledge to advance and accelerate women into roles of authority. #Women Lead the Way. Top reviews from the United States. I use this for everything. I love this shampoo. I use it for washing my hair, washing the dishes, as a body wash, and I use it for my laundry. Works great for all the above listed purposes.